Hey everyone, it's your Atenean partners with another vlog. We visited CMA and learned all about the work they do and what they provide to overseas Filipino workers. We spoke to Ma'am Ana about the paralegal assistance services of CMA. This is one of their main advocacies as they provide free direct assistance to migrant workers with any concerns. Here are some examples of paralegal cases CMA has handled before. A common story of migrant workers is that they are not paid enough or even not paid at all. Here is Pamela Villa telling her story about how CMA helped her file a case.
Pagka dating ko, pumunta po ako sa office ng CMA hanggang sa tinuro nila sa akin kung paano mag-process, kung ano yung mga benefits na makukuha ko sa OWA.
Another common case is physical abuse. This is Mariely Brua talking about her case.
Ang nangyari doon ay inabuso ako, walang pagkain, bawal magpahinga, sinasaktan ako ng mga alaga kong bata, tapos hindi na kinayanan ng aking katawan. At yun nga ang CMA. So, malaking pasasalamat na dumating sa amin ang tulong ng CMA.
Lastly, they also help those who face legal matters abroad. Here is Don Lanuza talking about his experience being on death row. He made headlines after being jailed for killing a national of Saudi Arabia out of self-defense, and he was saved through campaigns to raise blood money. Mature themes are mentioned.
Ako po ay tumagal ng 13 taon sa loob ng kulungan at napatawad ng pamilya at muling nabigyan ng bagong buhay. Isa po sila sa walang sawa na tumulong lalong-lalo na sa mga legal matters at sa mga pagkolekta ng blood money para sa aking kalayaan.
Paralegal assistance is not without its volunteers. CMA holds training workshops for their volunteers and caseworkers so they can help assist migrant workers. Paralegal means that these volunteers are not lawyers. However, they are qualified to aid migrant workers in answering questions. According to the volunteers, it is their job to help OFWs know their rights and help them to voice their concerns. We were very moved by the stories of these migrant workers. It shows that OFWs go through these challenges, and it is important that we hear them out when they speak. And with that, we hope that this vlog was informative, and see you in the next one.